This time my Jayden's stairway. This time I'm gonna show you egg from a soda. So this is the egg. It's red and yellow. I open this. Poopies. Like what? Poops. Right now. Helping hand. Help hand. Okay. Somehow I opened it. Let's do like this instead. Dodge! So this is what's inside the egg. I'll be blue. So, oh, what's this? What is it? Okay, this is what else is inside it. A piece of paper that shows the doodle with a tail. This is what my little bird looks like, and this is what mine looks like. Which one do you like better? Mine's are my little birds. Comment down below which one do you like most. These are mine. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.